Welcome to Pure Health Africa. In today's video, we'll talk about the important benefits of soursop leaves and how they may support the body naturally. Soursop leaves have been used traditionally in some communities to support general wellness and daily health. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Benefit 1. Supports digestion. One of the most common traditional uses of soursop leaves is for digestive health. Soursop leaf tea is often taken after meals to help the stomach feel more comfortable. It may help reduce bloating, gas, and mild stomach discomfort, especially after heavy meals. A healthy digestive system is important because it helps the body absorb nutrients properly and maintain overall well-being. Benefit 2. Helps the body manage inflammation. Soursop leaves are believed to contain natural plant compounds that may help the body manage inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response to stress or injury, but when it becomes excessive, it can cause discomfort. Traditionally, herbal leaves like soursop leaves are used to help support the body's natural balance and comfort. Benefit 3. Supports the immune system. Another benefit linked to soursop leaves is immune system support. Many leafy plants contain antioxidants, which help protect the body from harmful particles known as free radicals. When the immune system is supported, the body may be better prepared to handle everyday infections and physical stress. Benefit 4. May support blood sugar balance. In traditional practices, soursop leaves are sometimes used as part of a healthy lifestyle to support balanced blood sugar levels. This does not mean soursop leaves treat or cure diabetes. However, when combined with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper medical guidance, natural habits may help support overall wellness. Benefit 5. Supports liver and body cleansing. The liver plays a very important role in detoxifying the body. Soursop leaf tea is traditionally taken as a gentle way to support liver function and help the body remove waste. Drinking enough water and taking herbal teas in moderation may help support general body cleansing and internal balance. Benefit 6. General body wellness and relaxation. Some people drink soursop leaf tea for general body wellness and relaxation. Warm herbal tea can help the body feel calm and relaxed, especially when taken in the evening. A relaxed body often supports better sleep and overall well-being. Safety and important notice. It's important to remember that herbal leaves should always be used in moderation. Pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and people taking medication should consult a healthcare professional before using any herbal remedy. Outro. These are some of the important benefits of soursop leaves to the body. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Pure Health Africa for more simple health education. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.